if you're experiencing login failures in Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help speed up your login process. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Apex Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device or PC can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Apex Legends is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches, as updates often fix bugs and improve connectivity. Step 5. Clear cache and data. If you're playing on a console or PC, clearing the cache can help resolve login issues. For consoles, this usually involves going into the settings and finding the option to clear cache. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game's installation folder and deleting temporary files. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve login failures and get back into the game quickly. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.